Let's go guys, it's Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favourite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what I'm doing this time around is, I've got a 2014 Mazda 2 and we're going to go ahead and replace the headlight bulb. Dead easy job, you can do it in 5 minutes. Actually, it'll take you less than that actually. So a Mazda 2 2014 headlight bulb replacement. Let's go, let's do it. Whoosh. Okay, so the first thing what we're going to do is, we're going to go ahead and take this plug off. That plug comes off. We're going to go ahead and take this cover off. Cover comes off. There's a little clip in there, as you can see there. We need to push the clip down and then up. I'll show you guys again. So push and up, and that clip should come off. There we go. And then that's not the bulb, by the way, that's just the bulb holder. It's the H7 bulb. There we go, there we have it. Nice and easy. Took like 2 minutes to take it off, not even 2 minutes, about 10 seconds. So let's get the new bulb. Let's go. Okay, there's the bulb holder. There's the new bulb, brand new bulb. So we're going to put the bulb holder and the bulb together. Boom, there we have it. Okay, see that pointer here? The pointer here on this car is facing downwards. Most of the cars are facing upwards like this. Okay, on this car, on the Mazda 2 2014, is pointing downwards. So we put the bulb on the bulb holder, pointer facing downwards in there. Okay, put the clip over. To get the clip back on, I think you might need a little flat screwdriver, because with my fingers I can't really push it. Just push the clip back all the way. It clicks on there. There we go. Happy days. See if I can get the camera in there so you guys can see the clip properly. Right, so as you can see there, the clip, it goes over the bulb holder and then goes onto this little, metal clip holder there. It goes behind it. So, I mean, with your fingers, it's a bit tight and a bit hard to, it's a little bit of tension there, and I can't really get my fingers in there properly. To take it off, no problem. To put it back on, a little bit hard. So get a flat screwdriver and just push it over, like I have there. Just push it over with a flat screwdriver, just like that. And yeah, let's get the wiring plug on. Let's get the cover back on. Let's go. So we'll just put the cover back on. Go straight over. Put the wiring plug back on as well. Boom, happy days, job done. Well, that's it guys, that's how we do the headlight bulb on a 2014 Mazda 2. Dead easy, as you've seen. It takes you 5 minutes, no more than 5 minutes. The only hard bit is getting the clip back on. To take it off, no problem. To get it back on, a little bit stiff, you need a little flat screwdriver just to persuade it on. And yeah, that's it. But once you get there, you'll see it's dead easy. So I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Trying my best. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.